This is Darius from therabbitpad.com, and in this video, I'm going to show you how you can upload files to Google Drive. Now, there are two ways you can upload files to Google Drive, and one way is on your home screen of Google Drive to click on New, then click on File Upload. And when you do that, your file menu will open, allowing you to go to where the file is stored and upload that to Google Drive. So if I have a file on my desktop and I want to upload it, then I click on desktop here and then click on the old clock, which is the name of the file, then click open. And now that file has been uploaded to my Google Drive. I am doing this on a Mac. If you are in Windows, it's the same process, but you will see the Windows File Explorer open as opposed to the Mac Finder open. You can also do that with folders by clicking New and then clicking Folder Upload. And I'm just going to create a folder here on my desktop called Folder 1. And then I'm going to duplicate this file a few times and then put it in the folder. And now I'm going to upload that entire folder. So I'm going to click New, then select Folder Upload, then select Folder 1. And when I click Upload, Google Chrome is going to warn me that I'm uploading 2 files to the site. And notice that the folder itself is uploaded to Google Drive as opposed to just the individual files on their own. Another way that you can upload files is by simply dragging and dropping the file from your desktop or the Mac Finder or Windows Explorer into the Google Drive window. So just take that file and drag it into Google Drive and it will upload, and you can do that same thing for folders. So I'm just going to rename this folder 2. And when I drag it over, it gets uploaded easily by just dragging it from my desktop. So this video shows you how to upload files and folders in Google Drive. If you found this video helpful, please click that like button and subscribe to this channel to view more helpful videos in the future. Also, please be sure to visit my website at therabbitpad.com.